In this quick and simple video, I'll be showing you guys how you can buy prepaid meter unit using First Bank app. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. So guys, it's very simple. Just come to your phone and look for your First Bank app. Here's my First Bank app right here. Just tap on your First Bank app. If your app opens, you can come here and put your password to log in your app. I'll come here and put my own password. It's logging in. You can see I've been logging into my app. I can come here and close add so that I'll go into my bank interface. You can see right now I'm on my app dashboard. Now to buy prepaid meter, just come here on your phone. You see on the app here the three dots here at the top left corner. Look at it here. It's not showing well because my phone is too long. Just tap on the three dots. So if you tap on the three dots, you'll get this pop-up menu. Then you can see here option 2 here. You can see pay bills. Tap on this pay bills. Then if you load, you can scroll down and look for, you see here electricity. Tap on it. Then on this page here, you can see here, you will fill all this information. You come here, select biller, tap here, and then depending on the state you are, if you're in Abuja, if you're in Benin, if you're in Calabar, look for your electric distribution. So I'm in Abuja AEDC, so I will choose this one here, AEDC. I will tap on it. So I'll come here on the second option here, select product. I will tap on it. Then I will select prepaid. We are buying prepaid meter. So I will come here and put the amount I want to buy. For instance, I want to buy for 3,000. I'll put here 3,000. Then you can come here on this customer's unique number. Customer's unique number is your prepaid meter number. You can find the number on your prepaid meter up there. So come here and put your meter number. So if you put the meter number, then you can come here and put your phone number. So any phone number you are putting here is the number they will send you your prepaid meter unit through SMS or text message. So you can always confirm your meter number if it's correct. If it's correct, come and tap on this continue. Okay, they will ask you to choose the account, which is your account. Select continue. Then you can see that it will process. Here's your meter number. You can see right, and the amount. You can confirm the whole information and then come here and put your pin. If I put my pin, I'll come here and tap on this pay. So you can always confirm all your information here. I'll come here and tap on this pay. It's processing. You can see here successful. So I've purchased a meter of 3,000. So actually I have received the meter unit on the phone number I provided. So they have sent me a message with my token. So I received it right there. We can now proceed to our prepaid meter to go and recharge it.